God, I love doing boat stuff.
We are about to take our first trip out in the water on a fully refurbished 1988 Ski Supreme.
After 2 years of work, we finally have a properly refurbished Ski Supreme.
The carpet on the driver's side gunnel was the last piece to go in. Now we've got a buttoned up, tight, functioning 1988 Ski Supreme. To celebrate, Amanda, Bryce, Dylan, and I took the boat an hour 45 minutes away to the Starvation Reservoir, which is out in the desert, for a little early fall trip. Like a lot of people, things for us changed in the spring of 2020. I won the parent lottery and was given stay-at-home dad duties by my wife. After a successful first spring with no broken bones, Amanda said, "Why don't you go take that boat we've been storing for the last 9 years and get it running?" So I did. Definitely. Pleasant reaction. Sat around for the last 9 years full of wet flotation foam, a broken stringer, a fully attached rotting swim deck.
Not to mention spider cracks, a large structural crack under the engine, hundreds of pounds of wet flotation foam, and a complete lack of storage.
I tore it all the way down to the stringers. I cut out the driver's side floor and I refurbished it, and it is looking great. I have modernized it. Full C-deck, custom C-deck nose panel. I did all this routering myself.
What Amanda said was you should get the boat going again. But I figured I might as well take the opportunity to not only get it seaworthy, but to get it updated, modified, and add some features that bring it up to the modern day standard. This is an extremely small boat with not a lot of space, so I need to maximize every nook and cranny of it to add storage and functionality.
Probably the #1 upgrade of this boat are these gunnel storages. This on the passenger side has the net, like in the Malibu boats that I always like to be in. And over here on the driver's side, I cut it out in the shape of my water ski, so that I can store my good water ski up under there.
I figured that if I had to gut the thing and repair all the stress cracks that were all over the rails, I may as well take the opportunity to add some features. After all, it's the features that make a good day on the water.
And then here I have my brand new LED lights. See the light show, total awesomeness. Pop-up boat cleats on the nose, as well as navigation light holders. And my hope is to one day have a headlight plugs in with the navigation light setup, and I have a headlight so I can do some bow fishing off the front, or I can do some nighttime driving with the old girl. Right, Bryce?
Uh-huh.
Brand new bimini. Really excited about that. Fishing rod holder right next to the driver's seat. One day there's going to be one of those grills coming out of here. I'm going to be grilling on the water with this bad boy. Pop-up boat cleats. This thing had no cleats before. Now it's got pop-up boat cleats. In the rear, all the cup holders have been bored out from the skinny cup holder to the wider cup holder, so you can get a soda with a koozie in. More swim deck all the way around the side. Newly repainted, refurbished swim deck. I have another video of me refurbishing and making this swim deck removable on the channel, as well as another one of me routering and going over the custom templating for the sea deck. More C-deck coming around. I wrapped the C-deck over this gunnel. This is all custom work they did with a wooden template and a router. Comes up all the way along the side. It looks great. My trash and recycling can are not quite complete. Right now we just have one bag in there, but eventually I'm going to put some rings in here, so I'll have a white bag and a green bag, and you'll know that it's trash and recycling hidden up under here. So now that just stays like this. A new gas strut opening up into the bay compartment. This used to be a small little hole right here, and I opened up the whole thing, added these gas struts on, made this L seat from fiberglass and high density plastic myself. I'd never done anything like it. Super excited.
This L seat mod is a major factor in the added functionality of this boat. Other than a little bit of cosmetic work, this thing is factory quality. And once the new upholstery goes in, it's going to be as comfortable as a modern day boat. Watch how easy it is to load all the potential toys in for a day on the water.
Bryce, you coming in? Let's get your life jacket on, then we'll launch, okay? Are you super excited to go boating?
Yeah.
Are you kneeboarding today?
Nah.
No? What about water skiing?
Grab my water skis?
Yeah, I have your water skis.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Let's do it.
We're not gonna do it.
All right.
Is Mommy done drive us to a boat launch?
No, I'm going to drive us to the boat launch.
Well, why?
I answered that question and there's footage of it, but it's not going in this video. I had the most perfect backup right here. I knew the camera was on, it was smooth, it was clean, it was straight, dropped it right in the water, and then I got around back and I forgot to turn on the GoPro. A little bit of history on this boat. I bought this thing back in 2008 in New Hampshire. I got a great deal on it, I thought, because it was an off-brand. However, it turns out it's because of the structural issues. In any case, it ran for 5 years, ran strong, we had a lot of fun, did a lot of water skiing, and then when my wife and I moved out here to Utah, the boat didn't run from 2013 until this summer.
We are going.
I was extremely fortunate in this project that I knew the engine wasn't really an issue. After we got this thing started up early last summer, I knew that I had done a good enough job winterizing it 5 years ago with just some anti-fog, and that we were going to be good to go. I think she still got it. However, a brand new fuel injected engine in this little boat could be sick.
All right, you guys ready to go?
Yeah.
You ready to go fast?
All right, guys, this looks like a good place to jump in. Just gonna stop the boat right here, and we can figure that out.
The push button ignition was definitely not necessary for this boat rebuild. However, after I did such a good job on all the other stuff, I gave myself a little present. Now watch Bryce's feet here. The first touch of the water sets the tone for the day. Ah, it's cold.
One of my absolute favorite features about this boat build is this custom cup holder, Nalgene bottle holder, and secret storage compartment that I fabricated and put in up under the driver's seat.
I do need to finish carpeting inside of the secret compartment. However, this upgrade came out great. It added the absolutely necessary below deck cup holder for the driver, as well as the glove compartment for the driver's sunglasses, keys, phone, etc.
It gives us 2 more cup holders, one for water, one for a soda, combined with this one here, and then the 2 on the back.
I really like the idea of using magnets to secure things in place, and this was the first successful implementation of the magnet. The next place I'm going to use a magnet is over in the armrest garbage can. Then I'll click down with a nice little magnet latch. A hidden trash can means you'll never see trash on the deck of the boat again.
Hey boys, I'm going to throw this away. You like to be hot? Oh. Help me with the buoys?
Next, we demo the storage and boat cleat functionality. The reality is we had to go to the marina because Bryce needed to poop.
2 good ropes. We can go take that one in the back there. This one goes like this, Bryce. Pop up boat cleat. Here you go, here you go. Alright, are we parking? Let me control the steering wheel, please. Good job, Bryce. Thanks, bud. And then I'll get the rear. You got it, Bryce. Good job, buddy. Mom, keep pulling, I keep pulling, and then we're in. Nice job, team. And look at that. We're using our boat cleats We are docked. Quick stop at the marina. Then we're headed back out. We'll find a spot to camp. We're looking for somewhere we can drive the truck to, pop the rooftop tent, be good to go. Ready? Potential camping spot number 2. Drive a truck down to those trees over there. Dylan, what do you want to do?
Oh, check it out.
Well, let's go check it out. We are going to run up on shore here. There's like a waterfall looking thing up there. We got to park the boat. Sand anchor. You guys gonna throw some rocks in? I just saw a fish jump up the first level. Nice job, Bryce. Whoa, speedster. I've been waiting all day to find some flat water to water ski on. Doesn't look like the wind's gonna die down before we get out of here. So we're just gonna go find something that's tucked in under the wind, try and make a few cuts.
What, Daddy?
There it is. Ready? Like I said, functionality. I'm a water skier. My friends and I were out water skiing early AMs at least once a week for the last 6 weeks of the season, trying to get as good as I can, having fun doing it, and now that I got this boat back and functioning properly, I am gonna be ripping on that ski. I do think that I'm gonna have to add a trim tab on the back of this thing because I got a little rooster tail that I'm cutting over. However, that remains to be seen, and it's an upgrade I'm totally ready to do. I feel good in the middle. Get one more go at it. Dylan gets it. I added the hot water shower primarily for extending the water ski season. However, it's my hope that Amanda's going to start using this thing to shower in the mornings and think camping feels more like vacation. For those late night water ski sessions, I installed LED party lights all around this thing so that we can do a victory lap after we shred. There it is. A successful day on the water. The fully refurbished 1988 Ski Supreme. I love this boat. Looks like Amanda left it in gear when she parked it. Can't wait till next summer. We've got it going all year. Brand new upholstery. Couple more upgrades. This bad boy is just one HE double hockey stick of a unit. See you next summer.